Yeah, don't crash your drone into a tree. This is what happens. Don't do this. Don't do this. This is a DJI Pro Mini 3. So what happened is I crashed into the tree set about 75 to 100 feet, and it toppled down and landed in a pile of rocks and broke off the two side arms and the camera off. And yeah, the camera still works, believe it or not. I have some bad news. So I purchased a DJI Mini Pro 3 drone and a couple days ago, and I crashed it into a tree. Broke it. Demobilized. So I'm going to do a video on the warranty and see what Best Buy does and see how they cover this. So the next step is to take the drone to Best Buy and see what they do. Hopefully they cover the warranty and I don't have to come up with money. I bought the Best Buy membership, which is also a warranties included in that, and it was $179. And so we'll see what happens with that. Hopefully I don't have to buy it again. I watched a YouTube video and someone mentioned that you have to buy it again. What they do is they'll credit you the money back on a gift card, and you buy a new drone or whatever broke, and you have to purchase it again, which means you have to renew the warranty. So I hope I don't have to do that, because I just got this drone. It's only a couple days old, and so I didn't, you know, I could see them saying that if I had the drone for a year or two, you know, or it was towards the end of the warranty. But since it's so new, hopefully they give me full credit with the warranty that I purchased, the Best Buy membership, and the drone. And I'll let you know what happens. Hi, so I'm back. Got some good news. So I went to Best Buy, did the drone return, and my $179 membership did the job. Very happy with the results. Didn't have to pay 1 cent. They're shipping me out a drone. Should have it in 4 days. And so just want to mention, don't get the $299 Geek Squad protection plan that I almost got. And the reason is if you have that plan, when you crash your drone, you go in to do the return, they're going to make you purchase another one because it starts over. Hopefully this helps somebody, and please like and subscribe, and have a great evening. Thanks for watching.